seconds. This factory makes millions of noodle packs every day. It all starts with plain wheat flour.
Water is added with exact control. One small mistake can ruin the entire batch. This mixture decides noodle taste and texture. Special blades cut the dough with perfect accuracy. Every strand must be the same size. Uniform size means even cooking later.
Powerful rollers press the dough again and again. This builds strength inside the noodles. Next, the dough turns into thousands of strands.
Now the noodles are cooked with hot steam. Heat locks the shape and texture. Now the noodles are cooked with hot steam. Heat locks the shape and texture. This step decides softness and bite. This is how instant noodles get their shape. Every block is measured and weighed. Next comes the most dangerous step.
These noodles are fried at very high temperature. This removes moisture instantly. This is why noodles cook in just minutes.
After frying, noodles must cool quickly. This prevents damage and keeps them crisp. Now the noodles are almost ready.
Machines pack noodles at incredible speed. Hundreds of packs every minute. You are about to see the final transformation. Every packet is checked for exact weight. No human guessing is allowed here. 1 gram wrong, and the pack is removed. Safety scanners look for metal particles. Only clean products move forward. This step protects millions of consumers.
Every pack gets a batch and date code. This allows full factory tracking. One code can trace the entire process.
Smart cameras inspect every seal. Machines see faster than humans. Bad seals never reach the market. Robots group packets with perfect speed. No breaks, no delays. This is pure automation power. Heat shrinks the wrap tightly. This keeps packs stable in transport. Too much heat can destroy packaging. Boxes are formed by machines. No glue is wasted. Speed meets precision here.
Each carton holds a fixed number. Counting is fully automatic. 0 counting mistakes are allowed.
Robots stack cartons perfectly, ready for global shipping. One robot replaces many workers.
These noodles are now ready to ship, from factory to your kitchen. But the final reveal is still coming.
Finished noodles are stored at controlled temperature. This protects taste and shelf life. Heat or moisture can destroy quality. Every carton is digitally tracked. Nothing is lost or delayed. One scan shows the full journey.
Now the noodles leave the factory. Timing is strictly planned. Late delivery is not an option.
These trucks supply thousands of stores, day and night. One factory feeds entire regions. The noodles arrive at local stores, still sealed and fresh. But the real magic happens at home. This is what consumers finally see. Simple outside, complex inside. Inside this pack is a huge process.
Frying removed most moisture earlier. That is why cooking is so fast. Minutes of cooking need hours of factory work.
Random samples are tested daily. Quality never stops being checked. Testing continues even after packing. Nothing is wasted here. Efficiency saves cost and resources. Even waste is carefully managed.
One factory can make millions of meals every single day. And the final scenes will surprise you.
This factory never sleeps. Electric power keeps every machine alive. One power failure can stop everything.
All water is filtered and tested. Clean water means safe food. Water quality affects noodle taste.
Frying oil is checked many times a day. Old oil is never reused. Oil quality changes everything.
Speed is carefully controlled. Too fast can damage noodles. Every second matters here.
Safety comes before speed. One button can stop the entire line. This system prevents serious accidents.
Every worker follows strict hygiene rules. Human safety equals food safety. Clean workers protect the product.
This process runs continuously. Stopping means huge loss. This factory works like a living system. Production continues even at night. Demand never stops. Millions eat while machines work. Millions of noodle packs per day. Every number means a meal. Few factories reach this scale.
From raw flour to ready meal, all inside one factory. The ending will complete the journey.
Quality audits happen every day. Nothing is left to chance. One small issue can stop production. Machines are cleaned regularly. Clean machines protect food safety. Cleanliness is as important as speed.
Spare parts are always ready. Downtime is expensive. Every second of stop costs money.
Maintenance happens without stopping production. Experience makes this possible. This balance is hard to master.
Raw materials arrive exactly on time. Storage space is carefully planned. Late supply can stop the factory.
This factory follows global food standards. Rules protect both factory and consumer. Standards decide market trust.
Every worker receives regular training. Skills keep the line running. Training reduces costly mistakes.
Energy use is closely monitored. Efficiency lowers production cost. Saving energy saves money. Emergency drills prepare the team. Safety is practiced, not assumed. Prepared teams prevent disasters. Only approved products leave the factory. Quality has the final word.
Every carton is fully sealed. Nothing enters or leaves unnoticed. This seal protects the entire journey.
Dispatch timing is planned by the minute. Delays are not allowed. Perfect timing keeps shelves full. These noodles travel across borders. One factory serves many nations. This food connects the world.
Consumers trust this simple meal. That trust starts inside the factory. Trust is built step by step.
Speed is important, but safety always comes first. This balance is hard to achieve.
Millions eat these noodles every day. Few know how they are made. Now you know the secret.
As one batch leaves, another begins. The cycle never ends. This is true mass production. A simple meal needs complex engineering. Every detail matters. Simplicity is carefully designed.
From steel machines to your bowl. In just minutes. All this work for one meal.
Next time you eat instant noodles, remember the journey behind them. More factory secrets are waiting to be explored.
And that's how instant noodles are made. Bread for bread, from start to finish.